Brookside Consulting provides clients of all sizes with cloud-based solutions for business communications, including unified communications as a service, contact center as a service, and video meetings. These solutions only work if you have the right internet solution, and that's where we come in with SD WAN and fiber, and just overall old school telecom consulting. We have a lot of clients we've worked with over the years. Some are on their second, third system. We'd be the only people they would talk to because we take care of everything for them. And know we're always just a phone call away and we get things back on track. We're an Austin-based company with a long history of aligning clients with the right providers and carriers. We have decades of experience with phone systems, video, contact centers, and the integration and connectivity that make them all hum. We design and implement the right cloud-based solution to meet your specific needs with the right vendors, including unified communications as a service, contact centers as a service, video conferencing as a service, and of course, software-defined network or SD-WAN. We can be a single point of contact from solution design to demos, contracts, and implementation. It all starts with your current monthly cost. And we'd like to take a look at what you're paying in each one of these areas and then divide that by the number of users to come up with your cost per user. That's where it all starts. Then we say, what's the best cloud provider to meet your needs and budget? You know, we work with literally all of them. There's a bunch of our trusted partners that we worked with. It's excellent. What we do rely a lot on things like the Gartner Magic Quadrant to help us understand what's going on with the good, the bad, and the ugly on the industry's top providers. All of this information and white papers are available at brooksideus.com. But I highly advise you to take a look at our website because it's got, here's the, Gartner on unified communications as a service, contact center, meeting solutions and video, and of course, SD-WAN. So, I mean, it's a lot of good information to help you understand technically why one is better than the other. Then you've got UC Today, which is obviously got, their top UCAS providers and their top video providers. Those are also at our website, really good articles about it. But what we also mainly do also is we help people find the right solution. And it starts with business software and what they're using from Salesforce to HubSpot to Slack. I mean, what are you using today? Are you getting screen pops? Is it integrated? Because most of these solutions are not integrated. In most cases, the average employee has to log into 3 collaboration tools with multiple logins and passwords, which I just don't understand how, you can't narrow this down to one in most cases. The politics are crazy. Whether they're using Zoom, they're using 8x8, they're using My Teams, Google Meet, or like a lot of people using Microsoft Teams. Microsoft Teams has come out of nowhere to be a really slick solution that a lot of people use. As you can see in the screen, it's got the ability to make phone calls if you set it up properly. So in many cases, we help people get rid of their legacy phone and hardware, and they're having a phone on the desk and for the outside calls, and using Teams internally, and we just move everything to Teams. So it adds inbound, outbound calling into the Teams app so that the end user can sit there and either click on somebody, one of their contacts, and call them that way, or just there's the dial pad that comes up in Teams. It's just we're really activating the calls button. It's already in their screen that they're using in Teams. So it's very easy to transition your users to this technology. So you have a single interface that works on any device that they're already familiar with, be able to make and receive calls, business SMS, texting, all those things, all through a single app. It works very, very well. Always on connectivity to the cloud is going to be required because internet connectivity is no longer a luxury. I mean, it's very essential for today's cloud-based solutions. So how we can help there is with SD-WAN. So SD-WAN means you're always going to have always-on internet connectivity because it's got automatic failover between multiple medias from fiber, coax, and wireless, including the new 5G. So at the end of the day, all of these apps need the internet access to be able to run, or your employees are completely unproductive. So, it's essential basically where everything's an app. So all these companies are apps. And if anything were to happen to your internet connection, they would be rendered, unusable. So the highest level of business continuity would deliver the best possible employee and customer experience. There's nothing worse than frustrated employees and customers because of the internet. So Microsoft Teams will run great. The contact center is going well. Everything's cool. Remote users, everything's working with them, and video conferencing works like it's supposed to. That's what happens whenever you have the right internet connection. So when the internet's working, everyone's happy, as you can tell. Everything's coming in the call center. Calls are coming in. People are doing video conferencing. Everything's cool. So, however, if you're in the office and the internet goes down, option one is to fail it over to coax. So if you've got multiple, carriers in there, like we recommend, we provide the ability to order the circuits and manage the implementation, everything for you from multiple carriers, so you don't have to worry about it. And you can deliver most of this on one bill. But it's automatic failover to either coax is option one. Option two would be failover to a second fiber provider. Fiber starts at around 350 depending on your address, but you could have, this could be a Grande and AT&T or Spectrum and Sun. It doesn't matter, any of the two that's in your area, but automatically that fails over, so it never goes down. And option 3, which has come out of, recently, is all the stuff you see on TIAs with 5G. 5G will now go up to 100 meg by 100 meg, so that's a sufficient, much better than what they have with 4G. So if something happens to your fiber, it'll automatically fail over to the 5G wireless network. Now, a lot of information about this is available at our website at www.brooksideus.com. There are tabs for everything from voice to video, contact center. Microsoft Teams and voice is a special tab too. The Gartner Magic Quadrant, where there's a lot of things you can read up on. There's government education and nonprofit section tab, and then connectivity and SD WAN. And then there's a really nice blog. So you're able to see everything that's going on the website, and be able to intelligently make a decision about how to take your business communications to the cloud. We'd love to help you. Cloud communications, UCaaS, CCaaS, and SD-WAN. Brookside Consulting, www.brooksideus.com.